So we are at the New Delhi restaurant, the Indian restaurant in Bali, and this restaurant gives good Indian food. I would say amazing Indian food. This restaurant is in Uluwatu also. We are presently in the Nusa outlet, and it's a must visit place for the Indians, for the foreign visitors who want to really taste the authentic Indian food. So that's the place, New Delhi. They have separate kitchen for vegetarians, and for me that was the best part of the thing. So you must visit, guys. Keep subscribing. Thank you.